zip. I got a bag with a zip. I got a bag of the SlimeZotic. I got a bag with a zip. I got a bag of the zip. I got a bag of zip. Yeah, I got a bag of the SlimeZotic. I got a bag of the zip. Yeah, I got a bag of the SlimeZotic. I got a bag.
Fresh bag out of the pack, you know something they do. You can have all them bitches, my nigga, I got like plenty of smoking Bombay, fresh, my nigga, like I'm on death row. I got steppers in the back, they hit you just like it's death note.
Shoes in the bag, my nigga, like with them, no. I ain't in the bag, my nigga, like it's your leg. I got shoes in the bag, my nigga. I got shoes in the bag, my nigga. I got a bag with a zip. I got a bag of the SlimeZotic. I got a bag with a zip. I got a bag of the zip.
Bag of the SlimeZotic. I got a bag. I ain't one. The one that kick it lame.
Hey, NWA, I'm a nigga without a tool. Big guns, big smoke, cause I'm big rude. And I got all the bitches like I'm Rick Rude. And I'm making all the hits like I'm Rick Rude. Big stab, big guns, cause I'm that dude. I had to pipe that bitch down, she ain't that cute. Got a lot of guns, a lot of pounds, a lot of stacks and safe. A lot of big booty bitches, niggas can't wait. First you get the money and the power, now the niggas wanna fuck with you. Niggas ain't believe, now these niggas wanna fuck with you. Niggas stay down, same niggas that grew up. Now it's up in the stuff for a nigga, yeah, what's up with you?
One bitch off with his head. Niggas with an attitude heard what I say. Super tough niggas, they get filled up with lead. Just trap at my gun, I'm so filled up with dread. I ain't the one y'all really wanna fuck with. Undead, pretty wise like a some shit. I ain't the one y'all really wanna fuck with. I got the 100 for nothing, wearing the 50 clip. I ain't the one y'all really wanna fuck with. Undead, pretty wise like a some shit. I ain't the one y'all really wanna fuck with. I got the 100 for nothing, wearing the 50 clip.
Y'all really wanna fuck with. Undead, Pennywise, look at some shit. I ain't the one y'all really wanna fuck with.